It may have been a prank to someone, but the hacking of the Dallas outdoor warning sirens Friday night woke a lot of people up.
Yeah, and if the perpetrators are caught, they could face some serious charges. Fox 4's Jenny Anchondo live with the latest. Jenny.
Yes, the mayor says indeed, if and when they find out who did this, they do plan to prosecute them. So the systems are back up and running, but we do know that hackers somehow got into all 156 of the sirens that should go off during emergencies for people here in Dallas. So they had to shut them all off early Saturday morning because they started sounding, and unplugging the radio systems was the only way to get them quiet. Oh, that was the sound across Dallas from about 11:40 Friday night until about 1:20 Saturday morning. The FCC is helping with the investigation, really to figure out who did it. There was a surge in 911 calls from about 11:30 until 3 in the morning. So the system has now been turned on and is ready to be used in case of a real emergency. City of Dallas says safeguards were put into place again this weekend to prevent this from happening again. We do know that there is a meeting scheduled for this afternoon. We are hoping that it'll be discussed and that we'll get more information there, and that we will learn more from city officials in terms of what exactly they did to make sure that this won't happen again. For now, reporting live in Dallas, Jenny Anchondo for Good Day.
Thank you, Jenny.